describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. They give more meaning and information to a sentence. Now we know that the type of adverb determines its position in a sentence. Let us read this sentence now. He never keeps his word. Now in this sentence, never is an adverb of frequency which is modifying the verb keeps. So we can say that adverbs of frequency are usually placed before the main verb. Now we have already learned that we can place adverbs after the object. So can we say he keeps his word never? No, this is not correct. We can never say a sentence like this. So adverbs like always, never, seldom, rarely cannot be placed after the object or at the end of the sentence. So even though some adverbs can be placed after the object or at the end of the sentence, adverbs of frequency like always, never, seldom, rarely cannot be placed after the object or at the end of the sentence. But we can say, never does he keep his word. Now what have we done here? We have placed never, which is an adverb of frequency, at the beginning of the sentence, but we have modified the sentence structure a little bit. We have introduced an auxiliary verb does, and we have kept the main verb in its base form, and both these verbs have been separated by the subject. So what can we say? That when we place an adverb of frequency at the beginning of a sentence, the structure of the sentence changes. Always tell the truth. Now always is an adverb of frequency which has been used in the beginning of the sentence here. So we see that when we place an adverb of frequency like always at the beginning of the sentence, then our sentence gives an order or a command. Now let us read this sentence. Daily she does yoga. Now daily is an adverb of frequency, but does this sentence sound correct to you? No, this is not correct. Can we then say she daily does yoga? Can we place daily before the main verb does? No, this also does not sound correct. But we can say she does yoga daily. Now, daily is a definite adverb of frequency. What are definite adverbs of frequency? Now, an adverb of frequency which gives us a fixed interval between the occurrence of events is a definite adverb of frequency. For example, daily, annually, monthly, yearly, weekly, or hourly. So these definite adverb of frequencies are only placed at the end of the sentence. Now let us read this sentence. I forget to switch off the light sometimes. Now sometimes is also an adverb of frequency, but it is not definite. It is an indefinite adverb of frequency. It is not giving us a fixed interval of occurrence of events. So in these cases, what happens? Let us see. Now I can say, I forget to switch off the light sometimes. I can also say, sometimes I forget to switch off the lights, or I sometimes forget to switch off the lights. So what do we see here? That sometimes or indefinite adverbs of frequencies can be placed in multiple positions in a sentence. Now let us do this exercise. Rewrite the sentence by inserting the adverb in the correct position. We eat dinner together and the adverb given to us is usually. Now what kind of adverb of frequency is usually? Is it definite or indefinite? Now usually is an indefinite adverb of frequency. So we can place it in various positions in the sentence. So we can say we usually eat dinner together, or we can say usually we eat dinner together. So what did we learn today? Today we have learnt about the various positions of the adverb of frequency in a sentence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.